Welcome to Tikiliper channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. Now, at first, go ahead and open up your File Explorer. Then just go to this PC. Then from here, go to Local Disk C. Then from Local Disk C, go to Windows. Then from Windows, search Software Distribution. There you go. And inside Software Distribution, just delete everything. Delete everything from here. And after you have done that, just close this. And after that, what you need to do is just go to your search bar. In here, type troubleshooting and just go to troubleshooting settings. From here, go to other troubleshooters. Then just let it load and select Windows Update. Just hit on run. And the troubleshooter for Windows Update should start. Now this will detect your problem and fix it. I'm just gonna close it, but you let it run. After that, what you need to do is just go to search bar again, then just type CMD, then run CMD as administrator. Make sure you click on this, then just click on yes and give it admin permissions. Then in here, type sfc /scan now and hit enter. This will start a scan and it will scan your PC and fix it. Let it run. I'm just gonna close it, but you just let it run and let this go 100%. And after that, what you need to do is just go to your start button, just right click on it and click on run. In here, type services.msc, which is services.msc, and click on OK. From here, you need to search Windows Update. Just search for Windows Update. Just right click on it, click on Properties. Then just make sure startup type is set to automatic or automatic delayed, and then click on Apply, click on OK. And if this is not running, just right click on it and click on Start. And another thing you need to do is search for Background Intelligent Transfer Service. Right click on this, click on Properties, and set the startup type for this to automatic and automatic delayed as well. Click on Apply, click on OK. Then just right click on it and click on Start. After that, just close all this. Then just go to your settings. Just search for settings. Then on the left hand menu, you'll find Windows Update. Just go to this. Then just click on check for updates and everything should be working. And basically that is how to fix all Windows Update error problems in Windows 11 laptop or desktop computer. I hope this video was helpful. If it was, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe.